Hello my sweet friends, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this voluminous beautiful updo that you can recreate if you have long hair or using Kanekalon synthetic hair like I did here. So let's get started. We'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to select our front section and make with it a ponytail. Then remaining hair you want to divide into two equal sections and make two low ponytails like I'm showing using a ribbon band. Now I'll use my Kanekalon hair, and if you do too, I'll suggest you to cut your Kanekalon hair into two, because like I did is way too long. So we want to incorporate it into our ribbon bands of the ponytails like I'm showing. So then when we have our ponytails long and ready, we want to grab our crown section and one of the ponytail and tie with it a knot. We want to pin in place our knot using one or two bobby pins, and then you want to grab upper section and tie it with a second ponytail. Now you want to grab remaining sections underneath like here, tie them again, pin it in place. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to knot. But if you have long hair like I do here, you want to grab the ends, twist it like I'm showing, and bring one of those upwards, pin it in place. And then second section left, you want to twist it again, creating a nice form of the bun. You want to pin it in place as well. Hide the ends. You can use some hairspray to fix everything in place. And you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this big and voluminous updo. And guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much, and see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye!